Here 3 pharaohs reign, Cheops, Khephren, and Mykerinus. Sarcophagi may be empty, wrappings unwound, yet Cheops, Khephren, and Mykerinus still reign, bearing the double crown of Upper and Lower Egypt. They reign over their court, buried run, over these small pyramids where their queens lie, over the tombs of their ministers, over the whole hierarchy, sleeping forever. Chamberlains, high priests, buffoons, architects, courtesans, each in his proper place in these funerary chambers which are called mastabas. For this is a royal palace of the dead, with triumphal perspective.